47% of jobs will be automated by 2027. Here's what's replacing them. Every week, a new AI automation tool emerges. They promise to change the way we work, but most of them are just hype. They automate tasks that are already easy. The real revolution is in tools that challenge our assumptions. That's where the real value lies. This is not just about efficiency. It's about transforming entire industries. The question is, what are these tools, and how can you use them to your advantage? Automation is not just about replacing humans. It's about augmenting them. A recent study found that AI-powered tools can increase productivity by up to 30%. This is not just about doing more with less. It's about doing things that were previously impossible. For example, a marketing firm used an AI tool to analyze customer data and create personalized ads. The result was a 25% increase in sales. The key is to find the right tool for the job. Not just any tool will do. The biggest mistake people make is trying to automate everything. They think that's the key to success, but it's not. The key is to automate the right things. A good example is a company that automated its customer service, but instead of using a generic chatbot, they used an AI-powered tool that could understand nuances of human language. The result was a 40% decrease in customer complaints. This is not just about automation. It's about understanding what needs to be automated and what doesn't. One of the most exciting developments in AI automation is the rise of no-code tools. These tools allow anyone to automate tasks without needing to write code. This has opened up a whole new world of possibilities. For example, a small business used a no-code tool to automate its accounting. The result was a 50% reduction in accounting costs. The key is to find the right no-code tool for the job. Not all tools are created equal. Some are more powerful than others, and some are more user-friendly than others. The future of work is not about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together. The most successful companies will be those that can harness the power of AI automation to augment human capabilities. This is not just about technology. It's about strategy, and it's about understanding what it means to be human in a world of machines. The question is, are you ready to harness the power of AI automation to transform your business? The answer lies in understanding the tools and the strategies that are available to you. The next video will explore the top 5 no-code AI automation tools that you can use to transform your business. Subscribe now.